Hey guys, my name's Hash Brown. I'm an FPV pilot in Australia. So we've been in stay-at-home status for close to a month and a half now, possibly even 2 months. Feels like years. It is what it is. Recently I got my hands on one of these, a Postman from Quadracer. It's got a T-Motor 20x20 stack with the new T-Motor Velox motors. Unfortunately, we went into lockdown before I could adequately test this, but I'm really keen to give it a go, so I thought I have a whole bunch of these 3-inch props. Let's see how this goes.